Let's get it, man. Big CLBJ back at it again. So today we're gonna go with the low taper on curly hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick his hair out. I normally do the shampoo and conditioner before, but he wants to do it afterwards. So I'm just prepping the hair by lifting all of the hair off the scalp, picking everything out. We're gonna take about ½ an inch off, or maybe a little bit more than that. But we're gonna go ahead and even everything out, balance it, low taper. He wants a design of a T for his girlfriend initial in the back of his head, so we're gonna go ahead and get that out the way as well. First time client found me online. Let's go, man. So lately I've been posting more content and recording more content, so y'all definitely stay tuned and also show love to my most recent content, me doing locks and color, all those different things. So I'm starting off by damping the hair. I'm using shear over comb technique. I'm letting him get a visual of how much I'm taking off, and then if we want to go a little bit lower, just keep it right there. So he wanted basically off his eyebrows, so just take a little bit off or whatnot. So as you see, I'm doing shear over comb, just staying consistent with everything. Piece by piece, and I'm also cross-checking to make sure that everything is even. Now I'm doing clipper over comb, as you can see, to speed up the process since I already have the desired length, as a guideline to make sure everything else is equal. The cut came out pretty dope, man. So as you can see, I'm just flowing, doing my thing, getting all the excess hair off, the dead hair off. This is kind of like my own technique, as you can tell. Still is like clipper over comb. Usually a comb is pointing upward. I'm actually combing the hair out, and then like that, as you see, just so I can fully control the hair. As you can see, I'm just balancing everything out. Clipper over comb. Now I'm using my 3 guard to debulk a little bit more. So I'm just balancing that out. Basically just prepping the canvas so I can have some leg room to work around. Just making sure I'm staying consistent with everything, as you can see. I was using the 2 guard right here, just debulking. Not really blending, but just removing the excess hair off. As you can see, the blend is coming together now as I fade it down. That glare right there is making it have a hard line, but y'all gonna see it up close. It's just how the lighting looks right there. As you can see, as it switch as I go. Now you can start seeing it better. Anyways, I'm about to go do the same thing to the sides. I'm gonna debulk some. As you can see, piece by piece. Just staying consistent. Consistency is everything, man. It doesn't matter what hair texture you do. Have to stay consistent. Starting off first guideline fully closed. I went open, then I did one guard, as you can see. Now I'm just flowing. Just like that, as you see, I'm debulking. I'm getting all the extra hair out the way. Using my corners. Making a very smooth transition. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got some more content that I'm editing right now as well. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. All of that, man. Just going over as many times as I need to make sure it's super crispy. Definitely likes to cut real smooth. Watch how this side turns out, pretty dope. Debulking again, as you can see. Just staying consistent. You see I'm using my corners as well. I'm going straight into the guideline. Very smooth transition, as you can see. Look at the blend. You are in there. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.